It's only $3.99. It's only $7.99. It's only 20 bucks. In this video, we're gonna talk about what you have to change about your money, specifically the it's only mindset. And if you stay to the end, you're gonna be able to hear why this it's only mindset may be destroying your wealth building opportunities. Hello, wherever you are. I am Jay with Epic Empower People, Empower Change, where we're all about changing your money mindset so you can change your life, as well as helping you transition to a plant-based lifestyle. Netflix, Amazon Prime, Amazon purchases, Hulu, work lunches, coffee routines, a big charity that people donate to all the time and don't even realize it, gym memberships. Here's my 3 points. Number one, the it's only mindset shows that you don't really value a dollar. And you don't really know how far a dollar can go or what you can do with it when all of the dollars come together. One soldier by itself may not be a threat, but when you have a whole entire army full of soldiers, then we can do something, we can make moves, and it starts to add up and make a difference. So your dollars are like your soldiers. So you command those things and tell them to do what you want to do so you can get to where you want to get to, so you can overcome whatever challenge you have in order to get to your goal. Use your money to build your life the way you want. By keeping the mindset of it's only, you don't really realize how much things are adding up. Second thing, it's death by a dozen subscriptions. Let's say you have 5 video subscriptions. Instead of having them all at one time, because if you have time to watch all of those, then we have another thing to talk about as far as purpose in your life. But you don't have time to watch everything at the same time. So maybe get 1 or 2 or 1 at a time. Let's say you get Netflix for a month. You just watch whatever episodes you want to do to catch up on there. And then you watch your Amazon Prime next month. You subscribe to that. And then your Hulu the following month to watch whatever shows, or a couple months to watch whatever shows you want to watch. But just make sure you're using your subscriptions wisely. You're getting what you pay for, even though you might say, well, it's only $7.99. It's only $13.99. Those things add up. Death by a dozen subscriptions. You want to do what wealthy people do. Wealthy people guard and watch their money. And a lot of times that's how they became wealthy, by paying close attention to what their money is doing and what's going on with it. And that's how they stay wealthy. A lot of times they don't spend a lot like people think they do on everything and go crazy. They're smart with what they do. So if you're in a situation where you are not wealthy yet, start doing what wealthy people do until you get there. And then after you get there, keep doing it, and even greater, because you're always learning, right? I hope you are. And finally, thank you for staying. Here is how this could be destroying your wealth building plan. By all of these little things and you just being like, well, it's only this, it's only that, it's only this. And when you go ahead and look at your ledger and all of the money that you spent, when you look back in your bank account, it was like, oh, that was me? No identity theft, baby, that was you. You forget the opportunity cost, which is essentially, if your money's going to A, then your money can't go to B. If you put your money towards B, you can't put it to A, or not all of it to A. And so when you talk about investing, you talk about other opportunities. When you talk about breaking the stronghold and getting out of debt and being the first one of your generation to be without debt, and not having a focus of your money going in that direction, maybe it's because it's going in 20 other different directions. Wealth building requires living below your means and having a focus to have money aside to invest besides the money that you're actively using on a monthly basis. So just look at the opportunity cost, like all of this money that you're using towards the wasted gym membership or the 99 Apple subscriptions. Consider where that money could actually be going utilized and how much you're actually using that thing. And maybe you can try to experiment. I'm gonna try to go a month or 2 without it, see if I still need it. Let me leave you with this. $20 invested over a 30-year period at a 10% return will yield you over $45,000. You might think they're over 30 years, but hey, it's only $45,000. Let me know what you leave in the comments if you decide to cut a subscription, or what subscription is really valuable for you, or how many subscriptions you have. I just challenge you to go ahead and look through your subscriptions, and whatever else may be unnecessary spending. Not for the sake of just cutting money just to cut it, but cut it so that it can be focused towards the direction that you want to go. This is Jay Lewis with Epic. Empower people, empower change. Hopefully I'll see you, or you'll see me, in the next video. Till then, stay empowered.